Ukiri mwega mwiroreri wa Kikuyu Magic TV tugithie na mbere ri ni ati maundu no magithiete na mbere gukorwo makinyitanite kuria nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria na ni thutha wa gwituika ati ni gwakiri na audio leak iria yagikorwo ikiyumiria gatagati ka Ndama o hamwe na mundu uwikene ta Wairimu wa Kimani. Thutha wa audio leak iyo gukorwo ikiyumiritie na ni audio leak iria yagikiria kwanika Bishop Ben wa kanitha wa JCM. Riu maundu no magithiete na mbere gukorwo makinyitanite ndakiugo ni tondu gukire na marwa maragikorwo magigithiunguka kuria nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria na marwa maya ri marakionania ta magikiumite ku mundu uwikene ta Ndama na ni marwa magwikiuga ati ni aragikorwo agiki withdraw kana ni aragikorwo agikiuma kanitha-ini wa JCM. Ndiakenda ngoro ngiguthomera marwa maya kuma iguru ngina kianda niguo ugikorwo ugitaukirwo marwa maria ndiragikorwo ngiareria haria iguru handu hetagwo ha address senders address makandikwo atiriri Damaris Wanjiku PO Box 210953 Subukia na marwa makiandikitwo tariki 13 September 2024. Arafu haria kuri aria magitumirwo marwa ni Jesus Christ Compassionate Ministry International Church Leadership Committee mwena wa Ruiru. Arafu haria ugo Dear Church Leadership Committee. Arafu igaikorwo igikiandikitwo atiriri stepping down from the office of the matron. Tukakigira theni wa marwa. I hope this finds you well. Please accept this letter as formal notice of my stepping down from my position as the matron of Jesus Christ Compassionate Ministry International JCM effective today 13th September 2024. I have thoroughly enjoyed my time at JCM and appreciate the valuable experience and opportunities provided during my tenure as the matron of the great church. I have arrived at the decision after a soul searching, and I believe it's the right time to pave way for others to serve in the same capacity. I appreciate every opportunity that was presented on my line of duty, and I wish to transition out of my current role with immediate effect. I am committed to ensure a seamless transition and will be happy to assist in any way necessary to facilitate this process. Thank you once again for the opportunity to serve, and I look forward to seeing how the Lord will continue to use this ministry for his glory. Thank you. Na hagikorwo hagikiritwo signature na hau kianda hagagikorwo hakiandikitwo Damaris Wanjiru. Koguo ri maya ni marwa maria maragikorwo magigitarĩria ngigutariria o hanini. Marwa maya ni magwikiuga ati mundu uwikene ta Ndama wa mobile spares ni agikoretwo agitigite position yake kuria kanitha-ini wa JCM. Ngudikania arakire matron wa kanitha iria kana kanitha ciothe cia JCM ni wakire matron. No riu undu uria ukiri na kiriga ni ati marwa maya matikiri the source ya marwa maya ndikiri irakimenyekana na tutikiri na mamu no kana marwa maya ni Ndama mwenye agikoretwo akimandikite. No ntugwithie na mbere tugikorwo tugithuthuria kana uhoro uyu ni wama, na ntugwithie na mbere tugikorwo tugikumenyithia maundu o toria maragikorwo makiyumire. No gwa kahinda gaka ni ati gukire na marwa maragikorwo magithiunguka guku nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria, na ni marwa magwikiuga ati Ndama wa mobile spares ni akirikite gwikorwo agitigite position yake ya matron thini wa kanitha wa JCM. Riu kiuria kinene kiria akenya makire nakio ni kana thutha wa Ndama gwikorwo akiheanite information ya kwanika Bishop Ben ni kana ni gwikorwo agithie na mbere gwikorwo agithie kanitha kana akiattend kanitha wa JCM. Maya mothe ri tugithie na mbere tugikorwo tugiko update guku thini wa Kikuyu Magic TV ngina kahinda kangiri reke tuonane.